Welcome to the online operating instructions for the Truma Ultrastore. The Truma Ultrastore is a liquid gas storage water heater with additional electric heating 230 volts. It is important to remember that the heater must be full of water before operating on either electric or gas, otherwise it will burn out the element on electric. The Ultrastore can hold up to 10 litres. To fill the Ultrastore, you need to check that the drain valve is in the closed position. Open the hot tap and then switch on power for water pump. When the water comes out clear and in constant stream, you know the water tank is full. When operating by gas, it is important to remember to remove the flue cover. If the cover is left on, it will block the fumes emitted by the water heater. Temperature can be set between 30 and 70 degrees. When operating by electric and mains, there is no requirement to remove the flue cover. The temperature is set at 65 degrees and cannot be altered. It is possible to use gas and electric at the same time, but to do this, you must ensure the cowl cover is first removed. If preferred, the Ultrastore can be left on. This will maintain the temperature of the water. If you are not using the Ultrastore on gas for any reason, i.e. in storage, the cowl cover should be left in place. To descale your tank, use 2 litres of white wine vinegar to the 10 litres of water. Fill your system as normal, leave for a few hours to work, and then flush thoroughly. You may find that you sometimes get hot water out of your cold tap. This may be due to the expansion of hot water causing a pressure increase, and therefore water flows back from the hot tank Ultrastore into the cold water pipe. An NRU needs to be fitted. For more information on the Truma Ultrastore range, visit www.trumauk.com.